Okay, so I had another trip to actually two Goodwill stores and found some more skis. And I wound up picking up two for a buck a piece at one place. Found this $2. Little bilge pump, so I can make a desoldering kit with that, where I'll modify this tip with a Teflon tip. And then at the other Goodwill store, I asked if they would sell the poles because they weren't marked with a price for $1 a piece, as well as the golf clubs. And she gave me all of my, these two I got from the one store. All the other ones I picked up for $6. So I got three in there. It looks like for free, and the others were um, $1 a piece. So pretty cool find yesterday.